but putting out 100% effort. But this was the shot right there. That was available, pero nakita natin dito. Yeah. Nakita natin ito, mahulog sila pareho, but we didn't really see how they went to the ground. Dito, lead up to 6 at this point. Ginebra creating that all-important breathing room against Air 21. The final moments of Game 7. Kagiwa gets a split. That will leave some room here for Air 21 to make something out of the remaining minute and 40. Here's Arvin Santos. Millones will take it and misses it. Kagiwa with the rebound. Yes, that was the possession for Air 21, but still. The window has become smaller, but it is still there. They just need another stop. And of course, Ginebra don't need to hurry. 9 to shoot. Time is on their side at this point. Here comes Kagiwa. Pull up. No go. There's still a chance. Arvin Santos. Oh, he throws up a wild shot. Now they have... It's their option. Air 21 has to decide. Are they going to foul? That basket will not count. I think there was a foul committed earlier. Well, definitely, there was a foul earlier. But nobody can hear the whistle. That's going to be Renny Del Campo. Nobody can hear the whistle. You can feel the thundering roar of the Barangay Big Dome. Here's our Coke Sarap Dito moment. Brought to you by Coca-Cola. Sarap Dito. Now, Renny Del Campo just fouled out of the game after scoring 5 points and grabbing 6 rebounds. Well, they needed more from him, Nico, if they wanted to wrap this game up. But, like you said, paligid ng paligid yung butas ng bintana. Paligid ng bintana. What about Bintana? With no team at the start of the conference, and here he is. Coach Joey Chico is in the middle of the court already. Trying to give instructions to Coach. It's an 8-point lead for Ginebra with 56 seconds to go here in Game 7. Do not go away. We'll bring you the rest of this game. Back inside the Big Dome. Fans from all over the country converging inside the Big Dome. What they saw in the first quarter was a royal start. Ginebra loading it over in second chance points, and they led after the opening quarter 26-21 in the second period. Umataw ang Air 21, outscoring Ginebra in that period to keep the game close. Getting points off turnovers, although Ginebra led by 3 at the half. In the third quarter, Eric Benk coming to life with a vintage performance. More pain, more gain, with 8 points in that third quarter. And here in the fourth quarter, we could just be witnesses to an epic finish for Ginebra. Although Stephen Thomas and the Express actually grabbed the lead, Ginebra finding ways to keep the Express at bay. And as we reach the moment of truth, we could be moments away from a royal coronation, or will Air 21 somehow manage to get an Express celebration? Back to the court, Gary David for 3. That could be it. Chris Alexander makes these 2 free throws. 10-point lead with 52 seconds to go. Napakalaki na. Kaya nakikita Coach Mo Perasol, napapatigin na lang sa sahig. Ginebra was a team that started the Fiesta Conference with 0 wins and 5 losses. Their first 2 imports could not give them what they needed, and so they brought in the man on the line, Chris Alexander, the great. Although he missed the first free throw, Chris Alexander, best import of the conference, 4 blocks tonight, a world of difference for Ginebra. And all those points that he got, they weren't a lot.
Pero Miko, timing. All about those points na timing. Naalala mo, nung humahabol yung Air 21, he had a putback. That was big. That swelled the rally. Tapos nagkaroon din siya ng one-on-one play to give them a 3-point lead. All of those points, huge. And of course, right now, he's hoping those points will mean his teams carrying the Fiesta Conference crown.
Of course, Air 21, nobody expected this team to enter the semifinals right to finish the elimination round at number 1. And here's Mark Kagiwa wants the ball. And Kagiwa scores it. Ginebra just 30 seconds away from hoisting another PBA championship. Ronald Puget also instrumental in this series. That's a foul given up by Egay Billones. And the celebration begins. Champions in the 2004 Fiesta Conference. And they were also champions in the 2004-2005 Philippine Cup. Champions of the Philippine Cup in 2007. And they are 22 seconds away from capturing another title under our watch here on ABC. And that's why this chapter of the PBA on ABC, a memorable one, as we saw the resurgence of Ginebra in the PBA, watching all the big crowds coming to the big dome, and we've all been together for close to 5 years, 4 seasons, 9 conferences, and over 1,000 unforgettable games. Coach Jong Uichigo, in his 9th PBA season, he's been a 2-time Coach of the Year. He's won 6 championships with San Miguel, and he's about to win another championship with Barangay Ginebra.
And Miko, he has to be the maestro of this run of Barangay Ginebra. Pwede mo sabihin, nandun yung talent level ng Barangay Ginebra. Ang daming mga weapons. Eh problema, pagdating ng finals, ang naiwan sa kanyang bangkong na lang dahil naubos lahat ng kanyang mga weapons. Guys like JJ Helterbrand were hurt. Ronald Tubig was hurt at one point. Mark Kagiwa was hurt. In this game alone, he lost Junti Valenzuela, but he found a way for his team to get a championship.
20 seconds remaining. It's going to be a royal celebration inside the big dome as the fans count out the time. And what a finish it will be for the 2008 Smart PBA Fiesta Conference. Barangay Ginebra, hari na muli dito sa PBA. Been hard to imagine this ending. We started your season with 0 wins and 5 losses. It seemed like Ginebra was headed nowhere. With a couple of import changes to bring